Blessings, my fitness people, fitness family. So today I'm just going to give you a nice low intensity beginner's workout. So all the beginners who just new to fitness and want a workout that is not too strenuous on the body, this workout is for you. So it's going to just comprise of 3 exercises, only 3 exercises. You can do it 2 or 3 sets, not one. Step it up a notch. 2 or 3 sets. So bird dog, bridges, and hydrant, fire hydrant. Just those 3. So get ready. Okay, so the first exercise is bird dog. Look at the posture. Right hand out, left leg back. Alternate. Squeeze at the glutes. Engage your core. And also engage your triceps for balance. So now we're going to be doing this for 10 reps. All right, ready? All right, great. So that was bird dog. Now we're going to be doing some glute bridges. So for the glutes, the booty. All right? All right, so we're ready for the glute bridges. Hands to the side and squeeze. Body straight, squeeze the glutes. Down. Up, squeeze, down. Control the movement. All right, so now we're going to be doing 10 reps. 3. All right, great. Now we have the fire hydrants, the hydrant. So again, on our 4s. Engage your tricep for balance, engage your core. Leg will only be opening or abducting. So we're keeping our body straight. So the move is only your leg abducting or opening. Engage your core, engage the tricep. Now we're going to be doing 10 on the left, 10 on the right. The right, 3, 2, 1. All right, so that was the 3 low intensity exercises. You had the bird dog, the glute bridges, and the hydrant. So you can do these exercises at any time, in the morning, in the evening. So preferably wake up in the morning and just spread your mat, do these exercises, go to work, go to school. All right, so the next video, I'm gonna do making a routine out of these 3 exercises. So watch this, get the form right, and come again for the next routine. All right, see you again.